Hi there, I'm Katie with WTI. If you are a child of the 90s, then you are going to just fall in love with these gloves by JEKOSEN. I was obsessed with the rainbow cheetah print when I was a kid, and I love that I can have them on a pair of gloves now as an adult. Who says that just because you're an adult you have to stick with neutrals? Not me. But these gloves are more than just amazing to look at. They are so warm as well. We have not had much snow this year, but we have had very cold weather. So whenever I'm outside and wearing these, even though I don't really get to play in the snow, I do get to still have warm hands. They're also water resistant, which of course you want in a winter glove. They also have so many cool little features. They've got this little pocket. They have all these little straps to make them nice and tight to keep the snow out. And I love that they have this elastic. If you randomly need to take off your glove to do something, you don't have to worry about holding your glove or dropping it. I can't believe I'm saying this, but these gloves actually have me wishing for more winter weather just so that I have an excuse to wear them. I love them that much, but that's just my point of view.